Affiliate marketing is literally booming in Kenya right now, and if you're not into this, I'm telling you, you are being left behind. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal to you the best website. Let me say the best because it launched in November 1st this year. If you're watching this video today, you're not late. They also have an app. It's a free website. I'm going to explain affiliate marketing in a layman's language so that you can understand. So let me say, I see a product on Jumia. I know most of you guys love Jumia, you shop on Jumia and stuff like that. So I see a product on Jumia and then I decide, oh, let me buy this product. And after buying this product and I have it in my house, then a good friend of mine or maybe a colleague visits me and they ask, oh, I like that. Where did you get it? So I'm like, I can plug you, but I have to get commission off of it. So what I'll do is to send you a link to the product. The link to the product that I'm gonna send you is actually the affiliate link. So I'm making sure that I go to Jumia, I sign up for the affiliate program, and then after that, I send you the link to the product. So that is what we mean by affiliate marketing. You recommend a product to a friend, and after them purchasing, you get a little commission off of that. So in this world of today, you can't tell me that you're telling people all this kind of stuff and you're not getting money out of it. Hiyo ni kama kujikalia kwa matako tu, like, what are you doing? Anyway, in this video specifically, I have a cool website with a high percentage of commissions, up to 20% for you to earn in that platform by purchasing products. They have different products. It is known worldwide. It has been on the space for a long time. They majorly deal with aircrafts, cars, bikes, stuff like that. They are majorly in the space technology. What they did is to launch in Kenya. At this time that you're watching this video, you are going to be the biggest beneficiary of this. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I'm so excited that you're gonna make a lot of money. Yes. So what I need you to do after watching this video all through is to go down in the description, because you're gonna get a link that will... Mbona ule mtoto anashout? Why is that child shouting? The payments that you make on the platform, you get to earn them directly to your Mpesa. Before I get too excited, I need to give you the steps on how you can make the money on the platform. So the first step is through getting to activate your account. You don't have to, but if you feel the need to activate your account, you can go ahead and do. So there's an activation bonus. The activation bonus is around $100. I explain this in almost all of my videos. What these companies do, they take your money, they invest it in their stuff, and then they reward you after investing in their stuff. So that is what they basically do. They put your money into use and then get profit and then distribute the money to relevant investors. I didn't say you have to. It's a free platform. When it comes to the affiliate commissions, you're gonna earn 20% when someone gets into the first level. That one is investing 400 shillings. If someone invests 400 shillings, they're gonna make 600 shillings in return for that day. And if your friend invests 400 shillings, you're gonna earn 200 shillings. Then your friend will earn 100 shillings activation bonus. Once you get to the VIP one where you need to invest 400 shillings, you continually get increasing to VIP 2, VIP 3, up to VIP 8. So you don't have to like even struggle. Once you put in 400 shillings, you can keep on doing tasks within the app that will accumulate money for you. It gets automatically directed to the next VIP level. If you are in level 1, then you'll go to level 2 automatically. Yeah, so you don't have to like over purchase within the app. You can just use the first or the second or the third VIP, and then all the other ways of making money within the app will come so naturally. It will all depend on how you use the platform itself. So signing bonus is 10 shillings, activation bonus is 200 shillings, registration bonus is 100 bucks. So everything is through Mpesa, you guys. You know, the problem with people is that they're not always patient. They're not always willing to wait and put in the work that is required for them to, you know, accumulate the money that is needed. So put in the work. You can even wake up every day. When you wake up, this is the first thing you do after praying. Then after doing that, you can go and start your day. If you want to make consistent income online, wake up early. Start before going for your job or your business or anything. Start doing those things online. And then after finishing, wake up, brush your teeth and everything. I hope that is clear. I'm giving you like a secret that is working 100% for me. Like I said, different levels have different commissions. For level 1, it's 20%. For level 2, it's 4%. For level 3, it's 1%. I like using companies that are already established because they are trusted in the market. Even if you share something with your friend, they can be like, oh, Castrol, we know about Castrol. It has been in space technology. They make bikes, they make airplanes, they make cars and stuff like that. Look, you guys, when it comes to doing the most, I'll be number 1 because I do my research. So I even went ahead and withdrew the money from the platform. You can imagine. I don't want you guys to go somewhere and then come to me complaining. No, I don't want that. I want you to use a platform and get the real benefits from it. That's why I started this channel. That's why I don't do everything that everyone else is doing. That's why I figure out the companies like vitu tu za chidi. I go do my research. When you are getting to the platform, they have different products that you are going to actually purchase. So if you purchase those products, that one is like you are investing in those products, okay? So you pick on the products that you need to invest in. Like I said, the minimum amount of money is 400 shillings. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to earn commissions, okay? After earning commissions, the minimal amount of money that you can withdraw directly to your Mpesa is 600 shillings. The reason why they do this is because they don't want to be causing a network jam when it comes to transactions. So, an example, if they decide now that you can withdraw the money anytime you want, someone will earn 20 shillings and they want to withdraw it to their Mpesa, okay? That is not logical, and you know that. So they have to come up with a minimal amount of money so that it can enable them to manage the transaction traffic according to their employees. And then apart from that, you guys, if you need to know a lot of information and how you can earn money, get the bonus and stuff like that, you can check out their Telegram account. So they have a Telegram channel. I'll link it down in the description together with the link that is directly to their website, to their app, so you can get it down in the description. Anyone who uses the link in the description, you are guaranteed of getting a bonus from me. Make sure you use the link to register to get the bonus. And then you can also join their Telegram channel. I'll link it in the description, so you guys do not get wishy-washy when it comes to this. I hope this one will help you somewhere, somewhat, somehow. I don't know how it will help you, but I hope it does. Even if you're a student, this one is even great for students. I hope this video will help you to make money through affiliate marketing. I hope this video becomes the motivation for you to go harder when it comes to making money online. Yes, it is possible. It is possible, my people. So make sure you like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications down below so you don't miss whenever I upload new videos, because whenever I upload new videos, there's always something you're gonna gain out of it, and this one is one of them. I hope this video was helpful to you and it's a motivation to keep on going when it comes to affiliate marketing, okay? And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you guys for listening. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.